27 minutes. Can you show a video where we're going? So this is the place where we're going. What is it called?
Albany Bulb.
Albany Bowl.
The bulb in Berkeley.
It's close to San Francisco, close by Berkeley. It's an hour and 30 minutes. All right, let's hit the road. So we have arrived at this place called Albany. It is around like hour and a half from where we live, and it looks like there's the ocean right there. Can you get in there or no?
Oh, hell no. Can you get up here?
Say hi to the camera. We're making a video. How you doing, man? Introduce yourself. Say something. My name is Asu Bitcoin. I work with him.
We work together.
We work together. He's 6. I serve.
But I'm better than him.
He's way better than me in making fool of people. Go.
Yes. Can you tell us what you got? The drinks?
This is our bee's knees. This is the gin, lemon, and honey.
Okay.
This is our bourbon-based cocktail. There's some basil on it, some tamarind on it, and maybe some chili oil.
And then the last one was cold brew?
This is almost like a twist and espresso martini.
Right.
Cheers to Capico.
Cheers to...
Cheers to friendship.
Perfect.
It's so good. Beer's so good.
Dirty.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to come here.
Go, go, go.
Let's go.
Go, go, go.
You want to listen to some songs?
We need fire. It's fucking cold.
Where did y'all appear from? Because all of a sudden I just see.
Still dressed